Here it is, Sunday. Last day here at Atisco Lake. We just got everything packed up in the car and the boat. I'm about to go out fishing one last time for a couple hours before this storm comes in. Right here, moving in from the west. It's been raining all morning, so we're just gonna give it our best shot. Hopefully we can get some nice action. You guys stay tuned. Me and Keith about to go launch the boat. Let's go. Got like 3-foot chops out here. It is not good. Sketch city, dude. Had to put all the camera gear in the Falcone case. Right now we're just creeping along the shore because as you can't really tell, but these waves are pretty big. Oh, this crazy ass wind came in from like the south side of the lake and just pushed back as we're cruising in. And it just got crazy chops. Ooh, big splash. Some shiners, about 20 feet. See if we can get some action right here. Oh, there we go. All right, pull them on in, Keith. Probably like a 12-13 incher. With another smallie. Oh, jumper.
Take it.
I'll take it, man. First fish of the day. How sick is that?
Cool.
Oh, God. Sick. How cool is that, man?
Let's go.
Sick. Big smallie, Look at this nice smallie. Finally, we got on some nice fish. Our whole mega cup. Let's get the release on this guy. What's happening, everybody? We are finally done with this fishing trip all the way here in Atisco. It was our last day. We ended up getting 10 fish in the boat today.
It's mostly smallmouths, a couple largemouths, most of them on the Ned rig, got a few on spinner, so
yeah.
Nice 17-inch smallie.
Yeah, we definitely hit some big football smallmouth along the east side of the lake, and we ended up catching a bunch of small ones. But other than that, we had some nice fish in the boat, had a good day after the rain. This trip has been amazing so far. I'm super excited we were able to get out here and finally make it to Atisco Lake, halfway across the country. Yeah. We are now about to finish packing up the boat and everything in the Jeep and hit the road. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.